In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use count function in Excel. If you've ever looked at a column of data and wondered how many entries are actually numbers, like sales amounts, quantities, or dates, the count function is the simplest way to get that answer. Here's how to do it cleanly and confidently. First, click any empty cell where you want the result to appear. Picking a clear spot keeps your worksheet organized, and it prevents overwriting existing data. If your data set is large, you might place the result just below or to the right of your table so it's easy to find later. Next, start your formula. Type an equal sign, then count. Excel isn't case sensitive, so count or count both work the same. As you type, you'll usually see a drop-down suggestion. You can click it or keep typing. Add an opening parenthesis and then select the range you want to evaluate. You can do this by clicking the first cell in your list and dragging to the last cell, or by typing the reference directly, like A2, A200. If your numbers sit in multiple separate blocks, you can select another block while still in the formula by holding the Control key on Windows or Command on Mac and clicking additional ranges, separating them with commas. When you're done selecting, close the parenthesis so your formula looks like E count A2, A200. Finally, press Enter. Excel immediately returns the number of cells in that range that contain numeric values. That includes regular numbers, dates, and times, because Excel stores those as numbers too. It skips blanks, text such as NA, and logical values like true or false. If your result seems lower than expected, check whether some entries are stored as text. Numbers aligned to the left are often text. You can fix that by converting them to numbers, and the count result will update automatically. A quick tip for clarity. If you ever need to count all non-blank cells, including text, use COUNTA instead. But for counting only real numbers, count is ideal, fast, accurate, and dynamic. As you add or remove numbers inside the selected range, the result will recalculate instantly, so you always have an up-to-date total. If you need to adjust the range later, select the result cell, tweak the references in the formula bar, then confirm to refresh the count. And that's it. Click an empty cell, enter the count formula with your desired range, and press Enter to see your numeric count.